tires are spinning on the diesel. No weight in the back of this truck. That is a lot of material here, folks. Look at that. I got another pass.
The advantages of Hiniker design start the minute you hook up the plow. The Hiniker Quick Hitch System is one plow mounting system that truly lives up to its name. Just drive the truck-mounted forks into the self-aligning receivers, pull and pin the single locking lever, raise the jack stand, and plug in the electrical connections. Then pick up the plow and go to work. V-Plow. If you need the rugged versatility of a V-Plow, look no further than the Hiniker 9000 series Trip Edge V. Snow removal professionals need quality and strength in their equipment, and the Hiniker V-Plow delivers both. The high-tensile steel superstructure of the mold board incorporates 12 laser-cut steel ribs to provide exceptional strength. High-density polyethylene mold board surfaces are dent-free and corrosion-free for improved performance and appearance. High-clearance trip edges provide improved damage protection, reducing stress and twisting forces on the plow.
V-Plow, what's new about it, it's got a torsion trip edge. It's a split trip edge. And what happens is the whole mold board doesn't trip. Just down here, here's the hinge. And this section right here, the black section, it hinges up here and trips.
Double-acting hydraulic cylinders provide positive control of the mold board wings, so they hold their position, even when backdragging. And super bright quad halogen headlights provide maximum visibility and safety, with up to twice the illuminating power of typical sealed beam headlights. The compact joystick controller commands the high-capacity hydraulic power unit, providing rapid transitions from V to scoop and back again. Hiniker V-Plows give you the versatility you need to break through heavy snow, move and stack snow, clean up parking lots, or to plow conventionally, all with the strong and convenient performance you need and expect.